Globe, is there life on exoplanets beyond our solar system? For millions of years, humanity has asked one haunting question. Are we alone in the universe? With the rise of modern astronomy and space technology, we now know that our solar system is just one tiny corner of the cosmos. Beyond it, scattered across the galaxy, lie thousands of other planets orbiting distant stars, known as exoplanets. But the big question remains: do any of those planets host life? A simple question, yet one of the deepest and most difficult in human history. An exoplanet is a planet that orbits a star other than the Sun. In other words, they are planets outside our solar system. Since the first discovery in 1992, astronomers have confirmed over 5.500 exoplanets as of 2025, and tens of thousands more are waiting to be verified. Some of these planets are remarkably Earth-like. Similar size. Orbit stars similar to our Sun. Lie within the habitable zone, where liquid water could exist. The universe contains 100+ billion galaxies. Each galaxy holds hundreds of billions of stars. And most stars likely have planetary systems. Right-pointing arrow meaning there could be trillions of planets out there. Even if only a tiny fraction resemble Earth, the chances for life become incredibly high. Life may come in many forms. But for Earth-like life, scientists look for planets with suitable temperature, not too hot, not too cold, liquid water, a stable surface or ocean, a protective atmosphere, oxygen, nitrogen, etc., a magnetic field to shield from radiation, a stable host star. Any planet meeting these criteria is considered a strong candidate for life. Test Tube 4. Promising exoplanets discovered so far. Among thousands of exoplanets, a few stand out. Small diamond Kepler 186f. 500 light-years away. Earth-sized. Located in the habitable zone. Right-pointing arrow potential for liquid water. Small diamond TRAPPIST-1 system. A star system with 7 rocky planets. 3 lie in the habitable zone. Only 40 light-years away. Right-pointing arrow, one of the most promising systems for future study. Small diamond Proxima Centauri b. Closest exoplanet to Earth. 4.2 light-years. Orbits a red dwarf star. Right-pointing arrow host star is unstable. But life is still possible with a strong atmosphere. We cannot travel to these planets, yet. But scientists use indirect methods to look for signs of life. 1. Atmospheric analysis. Search for gases like oxygen, methane, or water vapor. If O2 and carbon tetrahydride coexist, right-pointing arrow could indicate biological activity. 2. Light reflection signatures. Studying the planet's color may reveal chlorophyll-like patterns. Non-natural reflectivity, right-pointing arrow, possibly vegetation or microbes. 3. SETI. Search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Using radio telescopes to detect artificial signals or unusual patterns. 4. Climate and planetary simulations. Supercomputers model possible environments and determine habitability. We often imagine aliens needing water, oxygen, and Earth-like conditions. But life elsewhere might not require oxygen, live in extreme heat or freezing environments, use ammonia or methane instead of water. Even Earth hosts extremophiles, organisms thriving in volcanic vents, frozen deserts, and deep oceans. Right pointing arrow. This drastically widens the possible types of life in the universe. A popular yet controversial question. Some believe UFO sightings are proof of alien visitors. But no scientific evidence confirms extraterrestrial contact. Organizations like NASA, ESA, and SETI continue listening to the cosmos, hoping for the first signal from a distant civilization. It would be one of the greatest scientific breakthroughs ever. It could reshape humanity's view of itself, philosophy and religion, global politics and cooperation, technology and scientific advancement. A civilization millions of years older than us could possess knowledge beyond our imagination. Finding life is extremely difficult due to enormous distances, limited technology, difficulty distinguishing biological versus non-biological signals. Many planets are too dim or too distant to study. We still don't fully understand how life begins. Even identifying life, if it exists, is a complex puzzle. Physicist Enrico Fermi famously asked, "If the universe is full of planets and potentially life, where is everybody?" This is known as Fermi's paradox. With several possible explanations. Humans are too primitive to communicate with advanced civilizations. Civilizations tend to destroy themselves before making contact. Advanced beings intentionally remain silent. We are not listening in the right way. So, is there life on exoplanets? The honest answer: we don't know, but the odds suggest yes. The universe is far too vast, too ancient, and too full of worlds for life to have emerged only once. Every newly discovered planet, every strange signal, every improvement in technology brings us closer to answering the oldest question of all. Is anyone out there? And perhaps, someone, somewhere, is asking the very same question about us.